Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can apply for Chase Bank's credit card from your mobile device. So first of all, download the Chase Bank app from either your Play Store or App Store, and once it's downloaded, open it. Then tap on the option Open an Account and choose Credit Cards. Now it will redirect you to the browser, and once you're in the browser, you have credit cards categories such as reward cards, travel cards, business cards, and many more. Find the credit card which suits you the best, and once you've selected a credit card where you want to apply, tap on Apply Now. After that, scroll down, and now here you'll have to fill in all of the details such as first name, last name, suffix, MI, mailing address, city, state, zip code, date of birth, mother's maiden name, email address, SSN, total gross annual income, type of residence, primary source of income, primary phone number, alternative phone number. And once you've filled out all of these details, scroll down and then agree to the certifications and pricing and terms. And once you've done all of those, if you tap submit, you will have successfully applied for Chase Bank's credit card, and then Chase Bank will view your submission. And there you have it, you have successfully applied for Chase Bank's credit card through your mobile device. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.